Hi everybody, my name is Shyam Dangwal and in this particular video I am going to talk about a project known as Smart Dustbin which I have created using Arduino. So in this corona pandemic, everything must be contactless, so I tried to build up a contactless dustbin called Smart Dustbin, in which there will be no physical contact between human beings and the dustbin. And the prime objective of this smart dustbin is to promote Clean India mission. This smart dustbin senses the rubbish using an ultrasonic sensor which sends the message to the servo motor using Arduino Uno. When the person takes the rubbish closer to the smart dustbin, then the dustbin cap will automatically open for a certain period of time, and when the person throws the rubbish into the dustbin and after a certain duration of time, the cap will automatically close. Let's talk about the components being used in this particular smart dustbin project. I have used HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor. I have used SG90 Tower Pro servo motor. I will tell you the difference between servo motor and the DC motor, so stay tuned. I have used Arduino Uno R3 version. I have used 5-volt power supply so that the proper functioning of the smart dustbin is being provoked. I have used jumper wires. In this particular project, I have used 3 types of jumper wires, where I have used male to male, female to female, and female to male. These are the types of the jumper wires. I have used a plastic dustbin, which you can see in this particular screen, and I have used miscellaneous like glue stick, glue gun, scissor, cutter, and other materials. Now let's talk about the concept behind the smart dustbin. The main concept behind this smart dustbin using Arduino project is object detection. I have used an ultrasonic sensor in this particular project to sense the rubbish as an object. When the sensor detects any object which comes in front of the smart dustbin in a certain range, it will trigger Arduino to open its lid. I have used here a servo motor to persuade the mechanism of lid opening. For this mechanism to be able to open the lid of the dustbin, it must be placed near the hinge where the lid is connected to the main dustbin. After setting up the smart dustbin and making all the necessary connections, upload the code to Arduino and provide 5-volt power supply to the circuit. Once the system is powered on, Arduino keeps monitoring for an object near the ultrasonic sensor. If the ultrasonic sensor detects any object near the smart dustbin, Arduino calculates its distance, and if it is less than the certain predefined value which I have given by programming, Arduino will activate the servo motor, and with the support of the extended arm, it will open the lid by using servo motor. After a certain time, the lid is automatically closed whenever the user and whenever the person throw the rubbish material into the dustbin. Let's talk about the difference between servo motor and DC motor. First of all, we will talk about the wiring system of servo motor and DC motor. If we talk about the wiring system of a servo motor, it consists of 3-wire system known as power, ground, and control. And if we talk about the wiring system of a DC motor, it consists of 2 wire system known as power and ground. If we talk about the assembly of servo motor, it consists of 4 things: DC motor, gearing set, control circuit, and position sensor. And DC motor is an individual machine with no assembly. If we talk about the rotation of the servo motor does not rotate freely like DC motor. Okay, its rotation is limited to 180 degree. If we talk about the rotation of the DC motor, the movement of DC motor is continuous. It moves freely and continuously. Talking about the examples of servo motor, the servo motors are used in robotic arms, engineering projects, legs, or rudder control. And DC motor is used in car wheels, fans, and school projects, and so on. Now let's talk about the conclusion of this particular project. A simple but useful project called Smart Dustbin using Arduino is designed and developed here. Using this project, the lid of this dustbin stays closed so that the waste is not exposed to avoid flies and mosquitoes. And when we want to dispose any waste, it will automatically open the lid. If you want to read the full article about Smart Dustbin using Arduino project on Medium, so link is in the description. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.